Hey guys, welcome to my another video. Today in this video I will be teaching you guys how to make retro preset for your images. Please note that this preset works on night images. You can also try it on different images, but you might need to adjust other settings as well. So let's begin. Open up Basic tab. Set contrast to +50. Highlights +20. Shadows -20. Whites -60. Blacks 30. Clarity +60. Dehaze +20. Saturation +30. Next go to the Tone Curve tab. Make 2 points as such, and lift up the shadows. This gives the fade look in your photos. Now go to the Color tab and open up Hue. Set red to -30 and yellow to +100. Now switch up to the Saturation tab. Set orange and yellow to -100. This will desaturate both of these color completely. Next open up Split Toning tab. Set hue to 326 and saturation to 15. Finally open up Calibration tab. Set green primary saturation to -30. And finally set blue primary hue to -10. This preset will bring up the lighting details on your images and give them a detailed look. Now I will apply this preset on different images. Thanks for watching guys. If you guys want more of this content, like and subscribe to my channel.